This is a super speedy one. Let's get dinner on the table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. When I don't want actual onions in the recipe, but I want the flavor of the onions, I add onion powder. And I add this liberally because I really feel like it gives me a wonderful flavor. When the butter has melted, add the minced garlic, and yes, this is the garlic from the jar, and that's okay to use sometimes when you're in a rush. I saute the garlic for just a few seconds because I don't want to burn it. Give it a quick stir. Add the Chardonnay. A quick stir while the alcohol burns off. Now you can add all that wonderful Provolone. This is all done very quickly so the garlic doesn't burn. Look at that gorgeous sauce. This cheese sauce is like a queso for your tacos, but for your pasta, it's like a provolone Alfredo. Scoop the avocado out with a spoon, and remember you want a fairly ripe one so that it's soft enough to mash. Now, I don't have exact measurements on these herbs and spices, but just do it to taste. Do a taste test after each addition and see how you like it. I will say this, I do like a lot of onion powder because I feel like it just gives this such wonderful flavor. For the lemon juice, you'll use between 1 and 2 tablespoons. It just depends on how thick or thin that you want your guacamole, so you decide. I cut the cilantro with the kitchen shears because I don't like big bits of this in my guacamole. These are more meals in the Super Speedy collection. Check out the comments and the description sections for the links to these. My absolute favorite, pecorinoromano. Absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.